Hello everyone. This is Ash from Together Trading. So today, guys, we are going over gold. So I'm going to talk about some of the history and what happened and what I'm looking for gold for potentially next 6 months to probably 2, 3 years. So let's get started, guys. So, guys, as we know, recently, what we had the pandemic. So this was a whole market right now. The whole market being from the pandemic, right? Lots of people are telling me, right, why gold is dropping, why we don't see that movement up as like a Bitcoin or any other thing, because it's a safe haven asset and all those stuff. Let me explain something for you guys. Uh, guys, what we had was in March 2020, we had the market crash, right? As we had here, uh, explosion in gold price. All right, let's go back. Let's go back a little bit. Let's go back to the 2008 financial crisis. What happened there, and what we can take from there. Okay. So, guys, now let me show you. Okay, this is 2007, 2008. So, guys, this is a period that we had the financial crash till the recovery, right? So, from financial crash to recovery point, it was nearly what 4 to 5 years, right? So it wasn't in a period of couple of months or years. It took a long time. It took like a 2 to 3 years. As you've seen here, as we had the financial crash, we had this some sort of a this some sort of a good demand level, and the price just exploded higher, 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 and high till we had the peak at 2011, right? Then around 2011, you see gold prices start to be selling off, or uh, loads of investors to gain out of gold because economy is starting to get back to normal. People gain jobs, and the investors pulling their money to invest their money, right? Economy is open. Everyone they're going about the boom and bust to make money, right? It's about investing in more risky asset than just leave your money in safe haven. That's what we had. Another let me take this off. Then we had this period, right, from 2011 till 2014, that we had a huge sell-off on gold. Right, but the price never really get back to around 900 stuff, right? It's around 1,000, and even when the price was around 1,100, loads of even loads of traders would not sold their gold at 1,100. Like uh, loads of people would hold it, or even the physical gold. Personally, which I purchased at the low prices around 1,200, you couldn't when it was around 1,180, it was nothing available around these places. When I was going to the Hatton Garden, or anyone was like, "Can I buy you bar?" Or not like expensive, but like even the small one, no one was like selling it to you. Anyways. So, guys, the difference between this financial crash, which was a COVID-19 crash, than the 2019 crash, was way different, guys. This whole period, sorry, I drew it wrong. Guys, look at this whole period, right? It took nearly 6 to 7 years for this period to literally take off, right? But what we had here, this whole gold run we had since 2000, like September 19 till before literally before 2020 was the basically sorry guys there. So we had the US and China trade war. That was one of the catalysts for pushing the price in gold. So, guys, price of gold goes up when there is uncertainty and fear into the market. right? The risk asset doesn't seem very healthy for investors to go in. It's risky, right? That's the that's the name of risky asset. That are like bonds. No, sorry, like stocks and investing in like emerging markets, stuff like that, right? That's what we had here. If you guys remember, we had the previous to COVID, we had a US and China trade war, and if you guys if you can see this, you can see prices are exploding up. Right, what happened was Iran and US tension. I don't know if you guys remember around end of 2019, beginning of January 20, it was a fear of World War III. The war between Iran and US, it was the tension was there, right? The the US had the basically launched an attack on the Iranian general, the very highest ranking one, and loads of people were waiting for retaliation, right? So that was a whole period of uncertainty there that we had the gold price exploding up to nearly 2030. Then what we had after, we had the COVID, right? But guys, you see, all this happened in period of what? Probably a year, even less than that. If you guys look on the left side, right? This whole period of exploding in the price and coming down, the economy open and everything, it took nearly 7 years. But look what happened here. The period was like, what, 6 months? I remember price. Uh, guys, you will see this is from April, right? April 20. This is from March, right? This is from March 20 that gold price exploded up till 2000. Then you see, guys, what happened from August? The the vaccine talks, the basically the vaccine talks and a stimulus, all the stimulate, all those packages that came out, and basically that whole optimism in the market brought the gold price down. Right, as we see here, gold started selling off. That's what we had here as well. So, guys, that's currently my view is we might repeat what happened here. Economies opening up. UK going to be open up in 12th of April. US similar situation. Lots of countries they start to open up. Vaccine are rolling out. There is optimism in the market. So there is not really any catalyst for investors to hold on to the golds because gold is a safe haven, right? We don't have it here. So guys, trade, pass it. So exactly. Anyway, guys, I just want to like point you guys to something here, right? If you look to around 2011, 2012, what happened here, right? Price pushed higher, right? Pushed up to around 1900. Then we had the drop, right? We had the sell off. Even we had this whole push up, but it did not price did not ever go back to that previous high till there is a catalyst, guys. When there is no catalyst on gold, investors not really happy because, guys, gold doesn't pay any dividends. There is no yield. There is nothing. It's only a safe asset when there is a there's true uncertainty. Currently in the market, we have, as I said, there is optimism because as I told you, there is the stimulus. Central banks are supporting the economy. Economies are opening up, and basically there is no reason. There is no uncertainty, guys. We have not heard anything around trade wars, any Iran and US tension, any other tension, right? We've fairly been quiet, and Brexit situation is done. So fairly, there is no catalyst for gold to go up right now, unless we might have a true hyperinflation in US that can really cause gold to fly off the roof, probably $5 to even $10,000 per ounce. However, for now, what we can see, what I can show you guys here, and I will see, and I will tell you what's happening, right? If you look on the charts, as we see it, as we have here, right? We had this, since we had this whole drop, right? See, it was an impulse drop, right? We have the same situation here, right? Look, same thing, right? Guys, we see like when price hit this level, it never got back to it. See? 2 years gone by and we had the catalyst for the price to break above the previous high. Same situation here, right, guys? Look, price left the 2000 and see, we just have bearish candle. You see that even after this bearish, this is bearish engulfing, right? So after this, I am seeing price to come down. Even right now, doesn't show any bullish movement in the market. This is, I would say, fairly would be some pullback to just create this higher wick of a candle to start to move on. If you look on your left, this bit, right, you see we had this a small bullish candle, which was the on the support here, right? Look at the support, right? They're the same thing. See, the price had to bounce back, but after that, what happened? Next candle, boom! It was very impulse, guys. This is crazy. That's nearly wow, 3,000 pips, guys. Nearly 3,000 pips. Move on, but this is monthly candle, means if you are patient to hold your trade for that long. Guys, we have this trend line on a monthly, if you see right. Look at this. Okay. This is what we have. This is not the perfect, but I just want to try to tell you guys that there is a trend line here, right? And even probably maybe you can draw such a thing like that. I'm making one up for me. So guys, same thing I am seeing is that period took 3 years, right? And where we are right now is April 21. So we might see this whole downtrend to carry out. Let me see, where's my arrow? Yes, sir. Okay, let me go back. So we might have this to go up a little bit. So to touch that, to touch the trend line again for us. Then again, we're gonna have a move down. Then slowly, we're gonna have the move back up again till we have some catalyst, guys. This could be anything. This could be from hyperinflation, because guys, this like if we said 2-3 years after this, it make perfect sense to 2023, and we have a JP Morgan CEO was saying that this boom market can last till 2023. To me, is talking about the hyperinflation, where hyperinflation is, guys, where like price of bread or price of consumers, like food, like milk, things that you shop, right? It double or triple in price overnight. Like I experienced this because I'm background, I'm Iranian. I have experienced this nearly 7-8 years ago, when truly, guys, like the price of good double overnight, and it's fucking scary. That was where I literally start to learn about. But I live in the UK, but when I was there and experiencing, and people was talking, when people was telling me, it's fucking scary. And I think that's where we're gonna see the price of gold fucking explode up literally explode to probably 3,000-4,000. There is no man's land after that, but that's all I'm saying. Even let's have a look at US 30, right? Look at US 30, guys. Let me show you. So guys, this is 2007, right? Look what happened in 2007. The whole crash. This was 2007 crash, right? Look at that. 2007 crash till fully recovery of the crash. It was 3 to 4 years. But guys, here, right? Look, the whole crash and recovery fucking took 6 months. It was fastest. It was fastest anyone has experienced in any generation. This was crazy. We can say this was a money-making move for the whales or for the 1% to just get richer or just get better price to jump in, blah blah blah. But all I'm trying to tell you guys, this was a fairly quick recovery. Like, look, this whole job was in 2 months. Then next 6 months, everything got back, and and even we are created like a high. This is nuts. This is nuts. This is fast as I don't know what to say. Now, even guys, look, the whole recovery period took like 3 years, and after that, till the price broke out the previous high that we had the crash in 2007. It was in 2016 till 2017, 18. This whole period took nearly a decade. But the COVID crash, how long it took? A year? It's less than a fucking year. Whole thing happened. This was when? February 20, and where we are now? April 21. This is less than a year. This whole period here took nearly a decade for recovery and breaking the highs. But here, 7 years has been jammed into 1 year, guys. So imagine the impact later, the crash later. That's why I am concerned about the hyperinflation. But especially for US, maybe less for other countries, but US definitely gonna face this bad boy later. But as we have seen, this might carry out another 2 to 3 years, or maybe more than that. Then we're gonna have the highest crash, right? Okay, let's go back. Let's go back to gold again. Sorry, guys. This is more like a chart that I have that I've gone crazy on it. All right, let's go look at the weekly even. It's a little bit of mist, too much going on, guys. I know. Sorry, let me go back to the other one that I was doing for you guys. Yeah. Okay. So guys, this is what I'm seeing right now in gold, right? Sorry, the other one that I showed you is the one that I personally trade, right? And I have loads of lines just for scoping, especially. I just go through like all the basically where price would react. These are the places price react, right? Anyways, so this perfectly makes sense as I draw it on monthly, right? With the whole with the trend line we have. This is not the best, I know, guys. Sorry, it's not the best, but I just want to try to tell you guys my view overall. It's not going to be perfect, but guys, I'm looking around 70, 75, or probably even here after this. Then, guys, we absolutely gonna have a move down. You see, we have so much news around here. So I'm seeing to come down. I'm seeing gold to be bearish for the next 1 to 2 years, till truly we're gonna have a catalyst, right? The issue with vaccine, more people dying from vaccine than COVID-19. Then again, we're gonna have lockdowns, trade wars, any tension between US, China, and Iran, even Russia, Cold War. There's loads of possibility, guys. But if you pay attention, we haven't heard about anything like this. We haven't heard about no tension between US, right? It was all central banks supporting economy. They will be there. There will be no problem. So this is a long term for gold. And guys, if you want to catch this whole move, you don't need to use one account. Like I would say, probably in one account, in one broker, you can open up the account, just leave one trade, one sell. So potentially you can create all this move. To catch all this move, not to create. Sorry, guys, it's a bit late, guys. I'm trying to just do this quickly. Uh, all right, let's even look back what happened here, right? Guys, look what happened when we had the whole move down. Look, guys, it's very similar. It's very similar what we have here, right? You have this move down, then the price have bounced back like a cat bounce, right? Small, not breaking any structure, anything. Just literally coming to uh, technically to correct the price. Then boom, we have 3,000 move down. But this, guys, this is weekly. On hourly and 4 hours, this is not like this did not happen like overnight. This took a couple of weeks, but see, from here, this took like 2 to 3 months, right? Guys, I'm alright to hold trades for this long, but if you are not, I would prefer to just like I would recommend just like open up the account and just let them just open one trade and let it run for a couple of months if you are not really tolerating to wait that long, and you want to catch those long pips, or just just basically just show up to the market nearly every day to see what you can catch, right? And if you're looking like 4 hours, sorry, like if I go lower, so I can show you guys where we are. No, 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 no. Let's go this side. I think I went too far. Okay, let's see where we are. I don't know what happened here, guys. One sec. What the hell? Okay, guys, this is on daily, right? See, guys, this whole movement did not happen overnight. It took time, right? But we have this whole impulse movement. This is what we have here, right? This is what literally we're gonna experience around here as well. Retest there. See, guys, we have a similar situation. But however, if we get the price to come above 1800 and break above, come higher, we have different situation there. But currently, this is what I'm seeing on gold on long term. Hey guys, please tell me what you think about this, and please share your thoughts in a group and in the comment area, please. And thank you very much to stay tuned and watch the video. Please let us know anything. Thank you very much. Enjoy.